Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson. For this lesson we are taking a break from Black Lives Matter, and we are taking a break from all the heroes in history and the story of racism and how it affected today. So today I want to talk about pronunciation. How do we pronounce? How do we read? How do we speak? And I want us to answer these three questions, so please go and get a pencil and a paper. Pause this video, go get a pencil and a paper and come back to the video. Okay, so we know that in English we have consonants and vowels. So on your paper, please start answering. Number 1, how many vowels do we have in English? Number 2, what are the vowels? You can always press on pause, think about your answer and write it down. Number 3, English vowels are blank and blank. Now I want you to keep your paper in front of you, and while we're watching this video, I want you to start correcting your answers but with a different color. Okay? So you can see where are your mistakes. And also, while we're watching this video, I want you to participate, okay, and to answer when the speaker is asking a question. And remember, you can always press on pause if the speaker is speaking too fast or if he's not giving you enough time. Please let us all participate.
Can you read this word? Cat. Can you read this word? Bed. Can you read this word? Pig. Can you read this word? Dog. Can you read this word? Bus. It is fun to read. Yeah.
Okay. I will ask you this question. How many questions did you get right? Please check your paper. So there is a reason why we are reading, or why the speaker in the video read the vowels as a, e, I, o, a, and not a, e, I, o, u. There's a reason why the speaker didn't read it this way, and we will find out in the next video. Now to answer the question 1, how many vowels do we have in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vowels. What are they? A, or a, e, I, o, a. Very good. Let's watch the second video. To answer the third question, we need to watch this video over here.
Hello, boys and girls. We are going to sort vowel sounds today. Are you ready?
I also want you to participate.
Vowels can be short or long sounds.
So, after watching together this video, I want you to answer number 3, okay? And I want you to participate with the video. You can have a paper and a pencil and start writing if you want, or not. I want you to watch and answer when he is asking a question.
Let's review short vowels first. A, e, I, Short a, apple. Short elephant. Short iguana. Short octopus. Short umbrella. Great job. Now, let's review long vowels. long vowels say their names, like long A in cake, or long O in rope. Let's listen to long E, cheese. That's it. Now, how about I? What does long I say? Yes, I, like ice cream. Yum. What's the last vowel? A, E, I, O, and U. Long U says you, like in cube. Let's look at a few words.
Okay, so this is where you have to
Do they
participate.
have short or long vowels? Let's sort them together. Cap, ah. I hear a short ah in cap. Kit, it, Do you hear a short vowel sound? Yes, I do too. That's a short I. Mop, ah. Wow, that is another short vowel. I know this word. It is name. A. Do you hear A shouting its name in this word? This is our first long vowel. Listen to this. Nose. Oh, the long vowels are easy, aren't they? I hear a long O. Let's put that one here. How do we say this word? Yes, ice. I hear I, long I. Whew, that was hard work.
I want to go
Now,
back for a second and I want to show you something. Wait. Okay. So what do we notice here?
Long I.
Okay. What do we notice here? So for number 3, the answer is vowels can be short and long. Now what do we notice here? How many vowels do we have in the short vowel words? Cap, we only have one vowel, one A. Kit, we only have one. Mop, only one. What about here? What about the long vowels? How many vowels do we have in this word? We have the A and we have the E. Over here we also have the O and we also have the E. And here we have the I and we have the E. So remember, when you only have one vowel in the word, okay, it's considered as short. When you have 2 vowels or more in a word, it's considered as long. And you can see here the A we read it cap, and here we read it name. So the A changes. Here it's a, here it's a. What about kit? We have kit with I sound. Here we have ice, ice with an I sound. Here we have mop with an short up. Here we have nose with an O's, O sound.
Whew, that was hard work. Now I have a challenge for you. Can you sort these words into groups on your own? 3. Cup. Men. Tube. I will wait. You can also pause the video if you need more time to think. Let's check. 3. E. I definitely hear the E saying its name. Long vowel. Cub. I know it is not a long vowel, but what short vowel is it? That's right, a short cub. Men. That sounds like hen and pen. That's a short Tube. U. Oh, I hear someone saying its name. Do you hear it? U. Yes, long U. Wow, nice job. You remembered that short and long vowels have different sounds. See you soon.
Okay, so it's the same vowel written in the same way, but we read it differently. I want to do one more thing with you before I end this video, is you have this worksheet with you. Okay, I'm going to read the first ones, and for your homework, I want you to read these yellow ones and send them to me in a voice note. Okay, here you go. So we have the long E and we have the short E. We have the short I and we have the long I. So I'm going to read them all. Teak, because we have two vowels in a word, so it becomes eek. Teak. The second one is tick, short. For this one, it's tack. This one is talk. We have an A and an L, so it kind of makes like an O sound, like I talk to you. Next, we have tuck, very short. You see the difference between this and this? The AU, or this one, is longer than the normal O. Tuck. The U is tak, because we only have one vowel. Long I, like taik. It doesn't really have to be an I, but it does have an I sound. Long A, take, because we have an E at the end, so it becomes long. Let's see the OO. Took, took, I took my bag. Let's go down. Beat. I'm reading this, okay? For you not to get lost. Beat, bit, bet, bat, bought, but, bite, bait, long A, boot, boat. Let's read this one together. I hope you are practicing with me. Neat, knit, because the K is silent over here. So, knit. Let me make this larger, sorry. Knit, net, gnat. The G is silent as well. Not, like bought, like talk. Not, I am not happy. Nut, you see the not, the nut. Night, good night, same word. Nate, long A. Newt, like boot. And note, long oat. Okay, I'm going to make your homework a bit smaller, okay, for your first homework, but I want it tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to take out these three and we can practice together tomorrow as well. So let me continue. I'm going to read these two more for you to have a better practice. Okay, let me put it in a color. Okay. Bean, bin, ban, ban. You see how much I open my mouth for this? Ban, bun, bane, boon, bone, O, long O. Okay, last one. Let us put the gray. Meal, mill. See the difference? Meal, mill, mall, mull, mile, mail, mule, mole. Very good. So for your homework, you have these three yellow ones. Okay, send them to me in a voice note and see you tomorrow.